Whew, you just passed one of your IBM exams. I'm extremely proud of you. You went in that thing straight shooting, man. Like I'm proud of you. That was a great job. Now you about to go and you about to read for the next 45 minutes and nothing can distract you. So what is gonna take is gonna take a deeper level of focus and attention. Because if you get this IBM certificate, it can drastically change your life. It might even give you that career jumpstart that you need. So what you're gonna do is focus your attention on every word. If you don't understand a word, open the next tab over and search it up, bro. And let's go. We about to get into this. All right, let's go. Let's get this going. We on this. We on this journey. Introduction. All right. The major cloud service models. That's what we about to study, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it. Major cloud study models. Let's start this course. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're learning how nano learn, bro. Put the glasses on. All right. This girl asking me to bring a laptop like I owe her some shit. What do I owe you? All right. Major cloud service models. Start course. Do I just click on start course? Let's go. Major cloud service models. In this topic, you will explore the major cloud service models. Major cloud service models. SaaS, software as a service. PaaS. You got to memorize these things, bro. So if you hear SaaS, SaaS, okay, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. You got to know these difference. You got to know these difference, but all of them have the AAS at the ending. So we have we have a software, we have a platform, and we have an infrastructure, right? Okay, now let's continue reading. Software as service, SaaS. Platform as a service, PaaS. And infrastructure as a service, IaaS, are common cloud service models. Organizations often use more than one cloud service models at once. Cloud services are very cost effective for customers because there is no need to buy or maintain IT resources in their own data centers. Click plus on each, click plus to learn more about the cloud service models. So these are different cloud service models. So what you're learning right now is models. So what is a model? You should know whenever you're in like the engineering field, you hear something about models, you got to know what these models really provide. Now we're going on SAA. No, SaaS. Okay. SaaS provides a ready-to-use infrastructure and software application. The SaaS vendor manages all of the upgrades and maintains maintenance. Users simply create an account, pay a subscription fee, and can use applications immediately. Some advantages of SaaS: users can try products on users can try a product. Except users good. Users can try products on a free trial or for a low monthly fee with a minimal financial risk. Apps can be accessed over the internet or on any device with a browser. It is easy to add additional users and storage.
find a local office, and more. Visit us online at geico.com.
No. And then move down service. Let me change it.
No, I have the other one.
Okay.
You have
So
to accept the amount.
SaaS is software. SaaS provides a ready-to-use infrastructure and software application. The SaaS vendor manages all of the upgrades and maintenance. Users simply create an account and pay a subscription fee and can use the application immediately. Some advantages of SaaS: users can try products on a free trial or a low monthly fee with minimum financial risk. Minimal. What does minimal mean? Because you might think you know the word, but you actually don't understand the word.
So
Yeah.
what happened? Log in and do it.
Okay, I'll do it on my time. Thank you.
Don't forget.
No,
Debbie, I left your food right there. Go eat. Chicken and rice.
minimal. How do you say the word?
Minimal.
Minimal. Okay, I said it right. Minimal. A minimum amount, quality, or degree non-illegible. That's characterized by a simple or primary form of structure, especially geometric or massive ones. Okay, now we know what the word minimal means. Okay, minimum fee. Apps can be accessed over the internet or any device with a browser. Okay, that's a great one. It is easy to add. It is easy to add additional users and storage. Okay, that's a great one. All right, PaaS. This is completely different than SaaS. So PaaS helps developers build, test, run, and update applications quickly and inexpensively without having to manage a hardware platform. However, there is not much control over change made by the provider. The cloud provider hosts all the store servers and storage and operating system softwares, database, and develop tools in their data center, providing a fully functional development environment. Wow, that's so powerful to know. Let's read that once more time. I'm gonna let Roxy out her cage. Roxy, you're too loud, man. I'm trying to study. I wouldn't do that to you if you were studying. Crap somewhere. Let's go. PaaS. PaaS helps developers build, test, run, and update applications quickly and inexpensively. So PaaS is very inexpensively, and it helps without having to manage a hardware platform. However, there is not much control over changes made by the provider. The cloud provider hosts all the service, storage, operating system software, database, and development tools in their data centers, providing a fully functional development environment. Wow. PaaS. Wow. Some advantages of a PaaS. Hardwares and softwares do not need to be purchased to build and maintain a application development. Platforms become the cloud providers manage the entire platform. More choices for development tools. and database are available. Additional compute, storage, and network capacity can be purchased quickly and used immediately. Okay, that's amazing. Let's look at the advantages again. Hardware and softwares do not need to be purchased and built to maintain. Hold up. I got distracted there. Focus, focus, focus. Righteous endurance, it sustains every test. Reset. Righteous endurance, it sustains every test. Reset. Let's go in again. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Some advantages of a PaaS. Hardwares and softwares do not need to be purchased to build and maintain an application development platform because the cloud provider manages the entire platform. There are more choices for development tools and databases are available. So there's choices for the development tools and databases. Additional compute storage and network capacity can be purchased quickly and used immediately. That's amazing to know. Hey. Roxy? What do you do with Roxy? 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 Where's Roxy? Roxy? Roxy, you have fun time now? Now, I have to study, okay? I have to study. Now you let me study, okay? Get your butt in here. Whew. So that was it for PaaS. Let's go with IaaS. Okay, what's the difference? Let's figure out the difference. Hey. Focus, focus, focus. The distractions are nothing but a reflection of you. You are the master of your universe. IaaS. IaaS provides infrastructure resources such as compute, storage, security, and networking on demand. It allows users to create or it allows users to increase or decrease resources as needed. The cloud provider only manages a physical compute resource and data center, network, and security resources. Control over resources is limited. Some advantages of IaaS. Computers receive pre-virtualized computes. I want to understand that. Customers receive pre-virtualized computes, networks, and storage resources. Users can I don't understand that word. Provision. What does provision mean? What does provision mean?
Provision.
Provision. The action of provisioning or supplying someone for use. The act of providing or supplying something for use. Okay. An amount or thing supplied or provided. Oh, okay, I understand it. The user can provide test and scale resources quickly. Customers provide a pre-virtualized compute, network, and storage resources. Users can provision, test, and scale resources quickly. IaaS providers are in many locations around the world, reducing latency and improving performance. What does this word latency mean? It's such a fascinating word.
latency,
Latency, the state of existing but not yet being developed or manifest. Concealment, the delayed before a transfer of data being followed with an instruction for its transfer. Wow, latency. Okay, that's what latency means. IaaS providers are in many locations around the world, reducing latency and improving performance. That's amazing to know. It is worth mentioning that containers of a service, CaaS, is another cloud service module often used. Wow, this is C. This is not previously everything we heard of. It is a container based on virtualization. The cloud provider delivers a container of engines and what is this word? Or congestion? I really don't know the word. So Google, can you explain this word to me real quick?
orchestration,
Orchestration. Wow. The arrangement or sorting of music and for orchestration performance. The planning or coordination of elements for a situation to produce a desired effect, especially, I don't know what that is, but orchestration. Okay, I get it. Cloud orchestrations. Wow, that's so powerful to know. That is so powerful to know. Okay. The cloud provider delivers containers of engine, orchestrations, and underlying compute resources to servers. Click the following image to enlarge and compare managed resources and cloud service models. Wow, this is the most I enlarge. Wow. I think that is not big at all. I'm trying to, why they doing me like that? I'm trying to. Wow, I don't know what I just did there, but it did not work. Traditional on-premise, on-premise. Okay, I need to understand that word. Premise. Premise. A previous statement or poor proposition from which another is inferred or followed as a conclusion. Premise. Traditional On premise. Okay. Traditional on premise. Applications, data, runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, servers, storage, networks. So in a regular building, this is what they would have for some infrastructures as a service. Okay. So traditional on-premise. So if a big building, they have all this stuff, they would have an application, they would have a data, they would have a runtime, they would have a middleware, they would have an OS, they would have virtualization, they'll have servers, they'll have storage, they'll have networking. Infrastructures, infrastructures as a service. Applications, data, runtime, middleware, OS. Why are they white? Okay, clients manage. Oh, traditional. So the clients would manage all of this. All right. Infrastructures as service. Applications, data, runtime, middleware, OS. And that's all the clients manage. That's all. So the virtualization, servers, storage, and networking is managed by the vendor managers in the cloud. Wow. So instead of having all these wires in the building, it would be less wires in the building now with an IaaS. Okay, so that's what the IaaS is. Let's see, PaaS. Platform as a service, applications, data. So the client manages just the applications and the data. And then everything else is run by the vendors management in cloud. Wow, it's making a lot more sense. Software as service. Wow. So if the software is as service, I think the software as service has the most benefits. If I was a business owner and I just wanted all my applications just to be done and the data would be somewhere I wanted it and the runtime. Okay, so I have to study SaaS. I think the SaaS is going to be the most beneficial one. Applications, data, runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, servers, storage, networking, customization, higher cost, slower time to value. Wow. Standardization, lower cost, faster time to value. Okay. So what is completely vendors manage in storage? So there's client managers and then vendors manage in cloud. Okay. I'm ready to get off of this now. What do I do? A vendor is the cloud provider who manages the resources in each cloud service model. Cloud services can be used in cases. Hold up. Cloud service models use cases. The following tables describe use cases for each cloud service models. Cloud service models, SaaS. In general, use cases. Okay. Cloud service models, use cases. So it's hand to hand. Okay. SaaS. In general, most personal or employee productive applications are available as SaaS, email, documents, management, and online collaboration tools. Online collaboration tools. That is big. Keep that in your head. Keep that in your head. So SaaS, I'm already thinking SaaS sound like the best one. When compared to the premises of softwares, SaaS provides a simpler, cost-effective, and more scalable alternative. Oh, you see, it got the word in there. It got the word in there. Alternatives, cost-effective. Now let's see what the PAAS. PAAS can help you with IT okay, we have to learn that word because we're not pronouncing it right. So you must have forgot it. You must have known it, but you must have forgot it. Remember, the infinite cloud of intelligence has everything we want in it.
Initiative.
Initiative. Initiative. That's the word. Initiative. I want you to spell it. INITIATIVE. Initiative. Get it in your head, bro. You've seen it multiple times. Take ignition. Take initiative. What does it mean? The ability to access and initiative things independently. Initiate things independently. Here it is.
Initiative.
Initiative. The ability to assess and initiate things independently. So powerful. The power or opportunity to act or take charge before others do. Whew. Initiative. You take initiative. That's why people who take initiative, that's why you're going to pass this course. And once you pass this course, right, you're going to get into a state of mind. Nothing can stop you. Build a career and infrastructure of the life that you want to live, because you are already doing what you love. You love to read. You love to find out more information. You are a computer yourself. Thank you. Let's go back to learning. Let's go back to the course. Migration of existing applications to the cloud. A hybrid cloud strategy that integrates public and private clouds, services on a premise infrastructure. Clouds native development is easy because of the ability to simplify, migrate existing applications to the cloud using microservices, containers, and cloud native technology. Do you really understand a PAAS? I don't think you really understand it. I want you to go through that again. Okay, let's go through it again. Let's go through it. You know, we're never scared. We are never scared. Are you gonna stand and ring this? I don't think so. It's not comfortable. Let's do a back against the wall. PAAS can platforms as services. Hold up. Platform as software. Platform as softwares can help. Hey, what's up with you? Platform as software. Platforms as softwares with platforms as softwares can help with IT initiatives, migrations of existing applications to cloud, a hybrid cloud strategy that integrates public and private clouds services on a premise of infrastructure. Cloud natives deployment is easy because of the ability to simply migrate existing applications to the cloud using microservices, containers, and cloud native technology. Okay, let's do a summary. I want you to put everything in your own words. Migration. I don't think you know this word the way you think you know it. Let's make Google teach you this word a lot more. Okay. Definition.
Migration.
Migration. Okay. Migration. P. Platforms as softwares can help with IT initiatives. Migrations of existing applications to the cloud. Okay. Migrations. Migration means a group moving together. So you could have a group of things or a group of applications that already existed and move it to your clouds. Let's just say it was job applications. So that's what that means. A hybrid cloud strategy that integrates public and private cloud services on a you just learned this word and you messing up already. Premised infrastructure. What does premise mean?
Premises.
Premises. A house or building together with a land and outbuilding application occupied by a business or considered in a official text context. Premises.
Premises.
Premises. Cloud native deployment is easy because of the ability to simply migrate existing applications to the cloud using microservices, containers, and cloud alternative technologies. Okay. That made a lot of sense. IaaS is IaaS is most commonly used for backup and recover of on-premise workloads. DEV. DEV. What would DEV mean? DVE is short for development. Oh, okay. It's short for development. Development and test environment. Computer customer facing websites and web application, data storage and analytics, data, hardware, housing, and workloads.
Did you learn how that works? Huh?
No.
Can you put it on the thing so they could tell him that his car is switching registration and it's not gonna be the tag no more? And mami, le envíale el DMV a mis palabras. Mate. Mate, mate.
In cloud service models, you shouldn't, in the cloud service models, you should have learned that SAAA, PAAS, IaaS were the major cloud service models. A ready-to-use infrastructure and software applications are provided by SAAA. Wow. Customers use PAAs to build, test, and run update applications quickly. Wow. So ready to use infrastructures, SAAA. Provide customers use PAAs to build, test, run, and update applications quickly. Customers use IaaS to get access to infrastructures, resources such as compute, storage, and networking.
What you shaking your head for? What you shaking your head for? Yes, he won't help you.
Take a moment to review what you have just learned about the cloud service models. Let's check your knowledge to see what you learned in this course. Answer these 3 questions below to complete this course. What is one advantage of a PAAS? PAAS. You have to be real careful in answering this. Users can build their own software license and reduce its cost. PAAS platform. I'm not getting that vibe from it. Resources can be scaled in delay rather than in weeks. Can be scaled in days rather than weeks. Immediate access to build and run applications in a cloud platform. That sounds about right here. It provides ready to use application. I'm gonna go with. Ooh, stop playing with your boy. Stop playing with your boy. What is the main benefit of a SaaS? It ensures customers can purchase and maintain a premise of data systems. Customers can build, test, and run applications quickly. Customers can build and test and run. Vendors can take care of all infrastructures and application management. Customers can build, test, and run applications quickly. Vendors can take care of all infrastructures and application management. Customers can use and buy. I'm really trying to understand this. Woo! I know SaaS has all the benefits in it, and it's a ready to use. It ensures customers can purchase and maintain the premise of data. Customers can build, test, and run applications quickly. The vendors take care of all infrastructures and application management. The customers can usually buy additional virtual, what do you call it? Vendors take ownership of all customer data. Software as, I'm trying to remember. Structures as a software or service as software. Okay, it's a service. Customers can build, test, and run. It ensures customers can make purchases and maintain a premised data system. Customers can build, test, and run applications quickly. The vendors take care of all the infrastructure and application management. I'm gonna say it's feeling like that. Customers can usually buy additional virtual. Hold up, did I get that right? Oh, stop playing with your boy. Stop playing with your boy. Like, what is they saying? What is they saying? Like, I'm ready to learn. I'm a humble learner. Okay, let's go. Let's go. What is the one reason cloud services are considered to be so cost effective for customers? Customers maintain IT resources on site. Customers can outsource their IT development. Customers recycle resource yearly. Customers do not have to buy or maintain its resources on site. Okay,
What is one reason cloud services are considered to be so cost effective for customers? One reason is cost effective. Customers can maintain IT resources on site. Customers can output their IT development. Customers can recycle resources yearly. Customers do not have to buy or maintain IT resources on site. This is a great one. This is a great one. What is one reason cloud services are considered to be so cost effective for customers? Okay. Customers do not have to buy or maintain IT resources on site. Customers recycle resources yearly. Customers outsource their IT developers. Customers provide IT resources on site. Hey, Gabby. Think. One reason one reason cloud services considered to be cost effective for customers. Customers maintain an IT resource on site. That should be provided. I think customers should maintain an IT resource on site. That should be good. Customers outsource their IT developers. That could be true. Customers recycle resources yearly. Customers do not have to buy or maintain its resources on site. I think that's gonna be my best bet. Woo! Stop playing with your voice. I am so excited. And what you just saw was me being distracted by everybody in the room. And he got 3 out of 3 correct. Stop playing. Your boy wants this. He wants this. You gotta want it. If you don't want it, you don't get nothing, man. Why am I telling you? I'm calling. I tell you, man. You don't get nothing. Nothing. I mean, irk, man. I don't take no nothing. I focus, man. You know, I don't want it. I mean, want it, man. All the distractions. What that say? Correct. Correct. You gotta be ready to learn. In the midst of everybody distracting, can you focus on one thing? Can you get it done? Who are you? You are a creative spirit. You are infinite intelligent. And I was doubting myself too. I'm like, am I gonna get it right? 3 out of 3. You looked at everything again, you got it right because you know what you want. You're gonna get this. What's next? Now that you finished with this course, you can go to the next course or return to the learning path. Hey, man, I'm not gonna lie. I got other things to do, but I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. We're gonna go for a 3 for 3 on the courses. But we're gonna look at let's return to the learning path and see what we have ahead of us. Woo! Can they stop 24%? Can they stop playing with us? We had 24%. 23 courses, 2 articles, 4.2 hours. And guess what? We just did 2 in the middle of pure distraction. And guess what? We got it done. Because that's the level of determination you must have. Now we only on 24%. This is a 4-hour course. We could get this done in literally 2 to 3 days. What is it gonna take for you to get this done in 2 to 3 days? So you can take this IBM certification of, certified advocate of cloud V2 test and code. What is it gonna take? Hold on. Let me see. Am I gonna have to pay for this? Number of questions. So the number of questions is 65. Number of questions to pass is 39. You're only allowed 90 minutes to take this test. Okay. Price of exam is $200. Recommended skill, basic knowledge of basic. Okay, $200. 90 minutes. How much time is 90 minutes? 1 hour and 30 minutes. You only need freaking 40 questions to pass. It's only 65 questions. And you think you're not gonna do this? Come on, bro. Let's do this, man. Nothing's gonna stop us. We all the way up. How much time is 90 minutes? 90 minutes. 1 hour. Hold up. 1 hour and what? 1 hour and 50 minutes? Okay, 1 hour point 5. If I would have added 10 to this, 100 minutes. Let's see how much 100 minutes. I mean, 100. 60 to 60. Hold up. 90 minutes in an hour. Yeah, what is 90 minutes an hour? 1 hour point 50 minutes. Or 1 hour point 5. I'm not understanding this. One hour and 30 minutes. Okay. We were right. 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour point 5. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let's go, man. You got this in you. What's up? What's up? Ready to take certified exam? And what they tell you for the certified exam? Tell us about your experience. 10 out of 10, man. Yeah, we're not looking at this right now. We're trying to see. Close. Close. Cloud service, blah, blah. Certification live, blah, blah. Just register. Are you ready to, no. They give you a study guide PDF. Let's go. Let's go, man. How much pages? It's 10 pages, bro. Let's go. Let's go. In the middle distraction, you pass 2 tests back to back. 3 questions each, 6 questions. Nail them on the head. That means you got the focus. You got the attention. In the middle of all those distractions, bro, $200 should be nothing to us. What is this? Development of cloud deployments, major cloud service models. I think we're on this one.